everybody, this is Amy here from Garden Up, and on this edition of Tool Tuesday, what I'm going to talk about is the combination of a Shuffle-hoe with a Horihori. Okay, this is one of my favorite weeding tools. I absolutely love this thing. This replaced at least 3 other tools in my toolbox: my claw, my dandelion popper, and a trowel. I no longer need those 3 tools. I only have the one. So I love this. This was designed by the Japanese, and it doubles as a self-defense weapon. So, you know, if you are into that kind of thing, there you go. Some things to be aware of when you're shopping for a Horihori. You do want to get one where the metal goes all the way down into the tang and into the blade. Mine did crack after a few years, but we just drilled another hole in there and put another bolt. So that worked really well. I have had this for 6 or 7 years. It's been a long time that this has been in my toolbox, and I absolutely love this. So, but I want to talk about how to combine these 2 tools to get just about any weed that you have out of your flower bed. So to start with, I have a few tap roots here, which if you've watched my video on how to use the Shuffle-hoe, you know that you don't want to use the Shuffle-hoe on a tap root. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Horihori. Alright, so on this common mallow, it has a tap root. Shuffle-hoe will be useless. So I go in first with my Horihori. Take that out. Here's another one next to it. Here's another one I don't like to Shuffle-hoe. This is purslane, because it tends to fall apart. Little bitty purslanes like this, though, I'm not going to pull up one at a time. So I'm just going to pull up the big ones. So I'm going to go through the whole bed and pop out the tap roots, and then I'll go over with my Shuffle-hoe. So that's what's next. Throw all these in my bucket. Okay, so the action is on the pull. Do not try to push it or it'll get buried. Pull your Shuffle-hoe back. And all of these little tiny weeds, I don't know if you guys can see these in the camera, but there's just all these little seedling weeds are getting dug up and tilled right into the soil. Okay, and you just do that in the whole garden, and then you take your expandable rake. I've already done another video on how to use these specifically, but basically you just rake everything smooth, and it'll also pick up all of the pine needles and all the leaves and all the other junk. I usually do a little shimmy shake with my expandable rake, and that helps to sift everything out. There we go. And then I just pick this up and throw it in my bucket. And all done. That is how we weed and fluff a flower bed whenever we visit. Okay, any questions?